How to use parsley and lemon to detox your kidneys. In addition to helping detox the kidneys, a mixture of parsley and lemon is high in vitamins, so it's highly recommended for people who have anemia. Few plants are as cleansing as parsley. We use it to add flavor to lots of recipes, but it also has medicinal properties that are very effective for many ailments. And when combined with lemon juice, you get a great treatment for detoxing the kidneys. In this article, we'll show you how. Why we need to detox the kidneys. Doing a kidney cleanse isn't something we should only try from time to time, it's a habit that we should incorporate into our daily lives to enjoy better overall health. Remember that the purpose of the kidneys is to purify our blood and remove excess waste from the body. What happens to us if they're not functioning properly and too much protein or toxic material builds up? Our blood becomes clogged with these toxins and makes us sick, which manifests in colic, kidney stones, and other diseases. This must be avoided. The following tips will help, so it's important to follow them. Drink plenty of fluids, and limit the consumption of dairy products. Reduce your intake of processed foods. Replace animal protein with vegetable sources. Remove salt from your meals, as well as sweets, and avoid alcohol. It requires some effort, but there's no doubt that you will feel better. And how do you know when it's time to detox the kidneys? Take note of the following for the sake of your health. How does your urine look, especially its color? Is it coffee colored, or light taupe? This is a clear indication that there's a problem with the kidneys. High levels of tension. Back pain, especially lower back pain that radiates to the abdomen. Excessive thirst. A frequent need to urinate but without feelings of relief. Having swollen ankles or even puffiness around the eye area. Unexplained exhaustion. Remember that these symptoms can be caused by many other diseases or conditions, but if you experience more than 2 or 3 of them together, it's probably time to go see your doctor. How can you use parsley and lemon to cleanse the kidneys? 1. Parsley. Parsley is a powerful antioxidant. It helps regenerate cells and facilitates kidney function. It's rich in minerals that help kidneys stay strong, removing toxins and fats from these important organs. It contains beta-carotene, chlorophyll, and vitamin C, ideal for fighting infections, tumors, and of course strengthening the body's immune system. Parsley is a great diuretic. It helps the body eliminate fluids naturally. It reduces high blood pressure, also improving kidney health. 2. Lemon. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and B. Both of these help strengthen and care for the blood vessels in the kidneys, important in the fight against high blood pressure, And of course they promote cleansing. Lemons are amazing. Lemons are low in sodium but high in potassium, which is ideal for the kidneys. Indeed, many doctors recommend substituting lemon juice for salt. It's simple and very healthy. How to get the benefits of parsley and lemon. This is really simple. In this article we'll give you an easy recipe using parsley and lemon juice that your body will love. It's a good idea to make this at least 2 days a week. How do you make it? You'll need 5 sprigs of parsley. Wash them first and then boil a liter of water in a pot. Add the parsley to the boiling water to release this plant's cleansing properties. This is a classic treatment that you have probably already heard of. Natural medicine is usually quite effective thanks to the therapeutic benefits that plants provide. Once the parsley has been in the boiling water for a bit, add the juice of 1 lemon and voila! You're done. And when should you drink it, you ask? The recipe makes 4 cups, so start with 1 glass in the morning on an empty stomach. Have another after your lunch, 1 in the middle of the afternoon, and 1 after dinner. It will improve your digestion and of course, detox your kidneys. You can do this 1 or 2 times a week. It might taste a little strong to you, but don't forget that this recipe contains a lot of vitamins that will give you plenty of energy and also help if you're suffering from anemia. So why not start today? Your kidneys will thank you.